At a certain restaurant, if each hamburger costs the same amount, what is the cost excluding sales tax of one hamburger? And so we'll just say we're looking for P, where P stands for the price of one hamburger. Other than that, no real information given in the prompt. Let's look at our statements. The total cost, including a 6% sales tax, is $4.77 for 3 hamburgers. So let's translate statement 1. Something is equal to $4.77. What is equal to $4.77? So we're getting 3 hamburgers, and so the cost of 3 hamburgers should be 3 times P, because we said P was the price of our hamburger. And then to that, we're adding a 6% sales tax. And so you can think of that as just a 6% increase over the cost of our 3 hamburgers. And so that's just like multiplying the cost of our hamburgers by 1.06. And then we're still looking for P. And because this is data sufficiency, I don't actually have to solve for P. And I don't think they expect you to solve for P here, because it looks like there might be some difficult division. And so just the fact that I see P is equal to a number or a decimal, so P is technically equal to 477 over 3 times 1.06, whatever that is. And I don't know what this is equal to, but it's equal to some value. And so that is all you need to know to say this statement is sufficient, to say yes. Statement 2, the total cost, including a 6% sales tax, is less than $6.50 for 4 hamburgers. So already I can see this statement will be insufficient, because just by the fact that they give me an inequality means you're not going to be able to solve for a single value. I guess maybe if that value was 1 cent, since there's really no value less than 1 cent, but I don't think that would be the case here. So let's translate this anyway, just for the practice. So we're getting 4 hamburgers, each at the price of P. So we paid 4 times P for those hamburgers. And then to that, we have to add our 6% sales tax. So that's just the same thing as before. So it's our cost times 1.06. And they say this is less than $6.50. And so if I were to solve this inequality for P, it's just going to tell me P is less than some value. And I don't know what that value is. And so I don't need to solve for this. But the fact that it's just going to give me a range of values for P is enough to say this is insufficient. A.